Welcome to Auto Adventures, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the most exciting cars from around the world. Today, we are diving into the stunning 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, a car that perfectly blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage comes with a refreshed design that maintains its signature aggressive stance and sleek styling. The front grille has been slightly redesigned, giving it a bolder look, while the sharper LED headlights add to its modern appeal. Its aerodynamic lines flow smoothly across the body, not only enhancing aesthetics, but also improving performance and stability at high speeds. Under the hood, the new Vantage is powered by a reworked 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 656 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is paired with an updated 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. The top speed stands at an exhilarating 202 mph, making it one of the fastest models in its class. Aston Martin has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering for improved handling and a more engaging driving experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or pushing the car to its limits on twisty roads, inside, the 2025 Vantage offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents are used throughout, creating a refined and sporty atmosphere. The redesigned seats provide excellent support and comfort, whether you're on a long journey or a spirited drive. One of the biggest updates is the all-new infotainment system, featuring a 10.25-inch touchscreen with Aston Martin's latest user interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and comes equipped with a high-end sound system for an immersive audio experience. Digital displays and customizable settings further enhance the modern feel of the cabin. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2025 Vantage includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, offering both peace of mind and convenience. Additionally, there are multiple driving modes that allow drivers to tailor the car's performance and responsiveness to their preferences, whether opting for a more relaxed ride or maximum performance. The exterior customization options for the Vantage are vast, with a range of bespoke paint colors, wheel designs, and trim finishes, allowing buyers to personalize the car to match their individual style. The attention to detail in both craftsmanship and technology reflects Aston Martin's commitment to delivering a top-tier